Hello friends, today we are going to draw a very simple and cute starfish. First we are going to draw a rough sketch of a star as shown, and then we will finalize. But remember, as I always say, first draw with a pencil and then with a marker. For coloring, you can also choose your own colors. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and also share among your friends. To paint the rock grey, first we are going to paint with the white color, and then we will add a little black color to it. We can also add some shade of brown, and then rub the pastel colors with cotton bud or a Q-tip. You can also use your fingers. We are adding a little more white to make it a little lighter. Coloring the background lightly with the blue color. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.